Welcome to Lead with Hope, the podcast where we explore the power of hope, leadership, and resilience in today's world. I'm Brandy Kelly, and each week I will bring you stories, insights, and actionable advice from leaders, innovators, and changemakers who are using hope as their compass to navigate challenges, create positive impact, and inspire others to do the same. Whether you're a seasoned leader or just beginning your journey, this podcast is here to remind you that no matter the obstacle, hope is the fuel that can drive transformation. So let's dive in and discover how you can lead with hope. Hey everybody, I'm Brandy Kelly and I'm the host of the Lead with Hope podcast. For almost 2 years now, I have been recording this podcast and bringing you interviews with innovators and change makers. Moving forward, I will be sharing an episode with you every week. On the weeks that I don't have interviews, I will be recording a solo episode. In these solo episodes, I'll offer coaching tips for your life and your leadership, or I'll share personal reflections and what inspires my hope for the future. This week, I'd like to tell you about the Restore Network. The Restore Network helps take care of foster families so they can help our children heal. Right now, there are 18,000 children in foster care just in the state of Illinois. 485 more will enter the system this month due to abuse or neglect, and 36% will change homes 2 or more times while in care. This problem is heartbreaking, but it's one we can solve together. So if you are interested in learning more about the Restore Network, head over to their website at therestorenetwork.org. There's a lot of ways that you can help with this important problem. You can learn more about foster care, you can volunteer, you can donate, and there's a lot of resources on their website that help us to understand this problem even more clearly. They provide a blog, they provide trauma-informed resources, and they share stories about real kids right now who need our help. So I want to encourage you to go over and check out more information about the Restore Network and see how you can get involved. The Restore Network has a lofty goal. They want to change the culture of foster care, and they believe that this is a problem that we can fix together. So I really want to encourage you, if you have a heart for kids, go over and look at their website, see how you can support the Restore Network. And before I go today, I want to let you know that next week I am going to have 2 dynamos on the show. Dr. Jenny Donahue and Glenn Forbes will be joining me, and they will share about their new book, Collective Impact, Overcoming the 12 Enemies of Teacher Efficacy. And together, they're going to share invaluable insights on fostering teacher collective efficacy and elevating professional learning to drive sustainable school improvement. So you are not going to want to miss this episode. It's a deep dive into micro moves that empower educators and transform learning environments. If you've received some inspiration from this show, I want to encourage you to go ahead and follow the show, rate the show, and share it with a friend, because leadership can be heavy. It can be hard, but leading with hope is about empowering leaders to be their best self by building cultures where people thrive, purpose is clear, and transformation is possible. So until next time, have a great day, and as always, keep leading with hope. Thanks for tuning in to the Lead with Hope podcast, where we share stories and strategies to help you rise, lead, and redefine what's possible. If today's episode inspired you, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and leave a review. Your support helps us reach more leaders like you who are ready to lead with heart, purpose, and resilience. Don't forget to visit sparkhopeedu.com for resources, upcoming events, and tools to help you build a culture of hope in your life and leadership. We're so grateful to be part of your journey. Until next time, keep leading with hope.